Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a comprehensive conversation about life abroad, including topics such as housing, transportation, social life, work culture, cultural adaptation, and personal growth. This lesson will help you learn useful vocabulary, practice English speaking, and understand real-life situations that people face when living in a foreign country to stay. Updated with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to talk confidently about life abroad in English.
Hi, Sarah, I heard you recently moved abroad. How is life there?
Hi, Liam. Yes, I moved last month, and it's been an exciting but challenging experience so far.
That sounds interesting. What's the biggest difference you've noticed compared to your home country?
I think the biggest difference is the lifestyle. People are more independent and organized in many aspects.
That makes sense. How did you find the process of renting an apartment?
It was a bit complicated because there are many documents required, like proof of income, identity, and sometimes even a local guarantor.
Oh, that sounds stressful. Did you get any help from a real estate agent?
Yes, I did. The agent guided me through all the paperwork, which made it much easier.
That's good to hear. How about groceries and daily necessities? Are they similar to home?
Some things are similar, but others are quite different. For example, local fruits and vegetables are fresh, but imported products can be expensive.
I see. Have you tried local food yet?
Yes, I love it. The flavors are different, and I'm enjoying trying new dishes every week.
That's great. How about transportation? Is it easy to get around?
Yes. Public transport is very convenient and on time, but I still have to get used to the different traffic rules.
Did you consider buying a car, or is public transport enough?
For now, public transport is enough because it's cheap and covers almost every area I need to go to.
How about meeting new people? Was it easy to make friends?
It took some time because of the language barrier and cultural differences, but joining clubs and social events helped a lot.
That's smart. Did you find any online communities helpful?
Yes. Expat forums and Facebook groups were very useful for advice and connecting with people in the same situation.
How about work or studying abroad? Did you face any challenges?
Yes. Adjusting to the work culture was challenging at first, especially learning new communication styles and workplace expectations.
I imagine it must be very different from your home country.
Definitely. For example, people are more direct in their feedback here, which took me some time to get used to.
How about language? Did you have to learn a new language?
Yes. Although English is widely spoken, I'm learning the local language to communicate better in daily life.
That's a great idea. How are your language skills improving?
Slowly but surely. I practice every day by talking to locals, reading books, and watching TV shows in the local language.
What about healthcare? Was it easy to access medical services?
Yes, but the system is different. You need insurance to see doctors, and appointments often require planning in advance.
Did you manage to get health insurance easily?
Yes. I had to compare several plans, but I finally found one that fits my needs and budget.
How about the cost of living? Is it higher than back home?
In some areas, yes. Rent and eating out are more expensive, but groceries and public transport are affordable.
Did you have to adjust your lifestyle to save money?
Yes, I cook at home more often, use public transport instead of taxis, and look for free events for entertainment.
That's a smart approach. How about social life? Are people friendly?
Generally, yes. Locals are polite, but it can take time to build deep friendships.
Do you miss your family and friends back home?
Of course. I keep in touch through video calls and social media, but it's not the same as being there.
How about dealing with homesickness?
I try to stay busy, meet new people, and explore the city. It helps me feel connected and less lonely.
Have you traveled much since moving abroad?
Yes, I've visited neighboring cities and countries. It's one of the best parts of living abroad.
That sounds amazing. How about the weather? Is it very different?
Yes, the climate is different from home. I had to buy new clothes and get used to the seasons.
Did you face any cultural misunderstandings?
A few, yes. Simple things like gestures, greetings or etiquette can be different and confusing at first.
How did you handle those situations?
I try to observe carefully, ask politely, and learn from locals. Most people are patient and helpful.
How about shopping? Are stores similar to back home?
Some are similar, but opening hours, payment methods, and product brands can be different.
Did you face difficulties with banking?
Yes, setting up a bank account took several documents, but my bank helped me step by step.
How about paying bills and managing finances?
It's easier now with online banking apps, but I had to learn local procedures first.
How about safety? Did you feel secure in your new city?
Yes, the city is generally safe, but I stay cautious, especially at night or in unfamiliar areas.
Have you tried local cultural activities?
Yes, I attend festivals, visit museums, and try traditional events whenever possible.
That must help you understand the culture better.
Absolutely. Experiencing the culture firsthand makes daily life more enjoyable and meaningful.
How about housing? Did you rent an apartment alone or with roommates?
I share an apartment with one roommate, which makes it more affordable and sociable.
How is living with a roommate?
It's good, but we have to communicate clearly about chores, bills, and schedules.
Did you experience any culture shock?
Yes, at first. Things like punctuality, communication styles, and social norms were different.
How did you adapt to that?
By observing, asking questions, and being open-minded. Over time, I became more comfortable.
How about holidays and public celebrations? Are they different?
Yes, some holidays are unique, and it's fun to participate and learn their meanings.
Have you tried making local friends?
Yes, through work, language classes, and social events. It's important to immerse yourself in the community.
Did you join any clubs or organizations?
Yes, a few hobby clubs and a local volunteer group, which helped me meet people.
How about adjusting to time differences when communicating with family?
That's tricky. I schedule calls in the evening here when it's morning or afternoon back home.
How is healthcare for expats?
It's good, but I had to understand insurance coverage, local hospitals, and procedures.
Have you tried local transportation apps?
Yes, they are very convenient for buses, trains, and taxis. Much easier than traditional methods.
Do you feel independent living abroad has changed you?
Yes, I've become more confident, responsible, and flexible in facing new challenges.
How about adapting to local food and cooking habits?
I've learned to cook local dishes and mix them with my traditional recipes.
How do you handle language barriers in shops or restaurants?
I use simple phrases, translation apps, and gestures. Most people are helpful and patient.
Did you attend any language courses?
Yes, I joined a beginner language class to improve my conversational skills.
How long do you think it will take to feel fully comfortable?
I think a few months, depending on how much I practice and interact with locals.
Have you experienced any difficulties with cultural norms at work?
Yes, sometimes expectations about communication or hierarchy were different, but I learned quickly.
How about social etiquette in public places?
It varies. For example, queuing, greetings, and tipping rules are different, so I had to learn them.
Have you tried exploring local entertainment options?
Yes, theatres, cinemas, concerts, and local festivals are all very enjoyable.
How about adjusting to local shopping habits?
I notice people shop differently, like smaller daily grocery trips instead of weekly large purchases.
Did you face any challenges with communication in local markets?
At first, yes, but I learned useful phrases and gestures, which helped me a lot.
How about making friends with locals versus other expats?
Both are important. Expats understand the challenges, but locals help you immerse in the culture.
Have you attended any community events?
Yes, neighborhood gatherings and cultural festivals help me meet new people.
How about volunteering? Did you try that?
Yes, I joined a local volunteer group, which was a great way to contribute and meet people.
Have you experienced any challenges with bureaucracy?
Yes, paperwork for residency, taxes and permits took a lot of patience.
How did you handle language differences in official offices?
I often needed a translator or asked for English-speaking staff, which helped a lot.
How about safety in your new city?
It's generally safe, but I always stay aware of my surroundings, especially at night.
Have you tried local transportation apps or ride-sharing?
Yes, they are very convenient, and I rarely need to wait long for a ride.
How about adapting to local time zones when working or studying online?
It can be challenging, especially for meetings with people back home, but I've adjusted.
Did you explore local parks or nature?
Yes, I enjoy walking and jogging in parks. It helps me relax and enjoy the surroundings.
How about shopping for clothes or daily essentials?
Stores are different, and sizes can vary, but I've learned where to find what I need.
Did you find local hobbies or activities to join?
Yes, yoga classes, cooking workshops and language clubs are very helpful and fun.
How about dealing with homesickness?
I stay busy, talk to family regularly, and invite friends over, which makes it easier.
Have you tried traveling to nearby cities or countries?
Yes, it's one of the best parts of living abroad. I visited several amazing places.
How about the local healthcare system?
It's good, but you need health insurance, and sometimes appointments require waiting in advance.
Did you face difficulties with medical procedures?
A little, but my local friends and online guides help me understand the system.
How about social etiquette in public places?
I had to learn things like queuing, greetings, and tipping customs, which are different from home.
Did you join any sports or fitness groups?
Yes, I joined a local gym and a running club, which helps me stay active and meet people.
How about local entertainment options?
Theatres, cinemas, concerts, and museums are very enjoyable and educational.
Did you face challenges with the local climate?
Yes, adapting to hot summers and cold winters was difficult, but I gradually adjusted.
How about holidays and public celebrations?
It's interesting to participate and learn their traditions and celebrations.
Did you make friends at work or school?
Yes, colleagues and classmates have been very supportive and friendly.
How about adjusting to work culture?
It's different. People are more independent and direct in communication.
Did you face challenges with local cuisine?
Initially, yes, but trying new foods has become an enjoyable experience.
How about banking and paying bills?
It took time to understand local procedures, but online banking apps make it much easier now.
Did you learn local customs for shopping and restaurants?
Yes, such as payment methods, tipping, and polite expressions for service staff.
How about adapting to local transportation?
Public transport is excellent, but learning routes and schedules took some time.
Did you experience culture shock?
A little, but observing, asking questions, and being open-minded helped me adapt quickly.
How about safety in your neighborhood?
It's generally safe, but I always stay cautious and aware of my surroundings.
Did you explore local shopping malls or markets?
Yes, and it's interesting to see different products, prices, and shopping styles.
How about communication in the local language?
I practice daily with locals, which improves my confidence and skills.
Have you faced challenges making local friends?
It took time, but joining social events, language classes, and clubs helped a lot.
How about local festivals or cultural events?
I attend whenever possible, as it helps me understand the culture better.
Did you experience any difficulties with administrative tasks?
Yes, like residency permits, tax registration, and local documentation, which required patience.
How about adapting to work or study schedules?
Adjusting to local time and expectations was challenging at first, but I've learned the routine.
Have you travelled internationally since moving?
Yes, weekends and holidays are perfect for exploring neighbouring countries.
How about local social norms?
Some are different from home, like greetings, personal space, and casual conversation etiquette.
Did you have to change your daily habits?
Yes, like meal times, commuting habits, and shopping routines.
How about handling homesickness?
I stay in touch with family, keep a routine, and engage in local activities to feel connected.
Have you learned any new skills since moving?
Yes, cooking local dishes, navigating public transport, and speaking the local language.
How about local entertainment and leisure?
Parks, cinemas, live music, and festivals provide great opportunities to relax and socialize.
Did you face challenges with cultural expectations at work?
Sometimes, but observing colleagues and asking for guidance helped me adapt.
How about making international friends?
I met many expats through online communities, clubs, and social events.
Have you learned any local traditions or customs?
Yes, participating in festivals and holidays has been very educational and fun.
How about balancing work and personal life?
It's important to plan and make time for relaxation and social activities.
Did you try any local sports or outdoor activities?
Yes, hiking, cycling, and swimming, which help me stay active and meet people.
How about local cuisine and restaurants?
I try new dishes every week and enjoy discovering different flavors.
Have you adapted to local communication styles?
Slowly, yes. People are more direct, and learning subtle cues takes time.
How about overall personal growth since moving abroad?
I've become more independent, confident, and open-minded, which is very rewarding.
That's wonderful. Cyril, I think living abroad teaches so many life skills.
Absolutely, Liam. It's challenging, exciting, and an experience I will always value.